In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Weebly in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking to create a seamless connection between your domain and your Weebly site, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into it, ensuring that your online presence is both professional and fully functional. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to the Weebly website by entering Weebly into your search bar, or simply typing in Weebly's direct URL. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, you'll notice the Login button typically located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process of accessing your site. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to do so using your email address and password. Make sure to enter the correct credentials to avoid any delays. After entering your details, simply hit that Login button again to proceed. With successful login, you'll be directed to the main Weebly dashboard. Here, look for the Website tab. Clicking on it will take you to a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website you'd like to connect your domain to, and once highlighted, then click on Edit to enter the site editor. Now that you're in the site editor, take a look at the menu options on the interface. You'll need to click on Settings to find the tools required for linking your domain. The Settings section is crucial as it contains various configurations for customizing your website. As you scroll through the settings, you'll find an option labeled Change related to your domain. Clicking on Change opens a prompt or a new section where you can either connect or transfer your domain to Weebly. For our purposes in this video, you'll want to select the option to connect or transfer it now. Once you've chosen to connect your domain, you'll need to enter your domain's name, the web address that you own,